'66.
How did you communicate with friends and family as a child?
Well, we communicated, we talked to each other. Sometimes we used the telephone. And for family that was a long ways away, or friends a long ways away, we'd write letters.
What did you do for Thanksgiving as a child?
Well, for Thanksgiving, we would gather at my grandmother's or sometimes at our house for a big Thanksgiving dinner. And we'd often go hunting on Thanksgiving Day.
What did you, couldn't hear you, Mommy.
Entertainment.
What did you do as a child for entertainment?
Well, we mostly played. We had TV when I was an older child, and we'd watch TV some, but there wasn't much TV back then, so we played. We'd play all kind of sports or games with our friends. And we'd make up games to play if we didn't have games. Sometimes we'd have board games that we could play in the house, but usually we played outside. Played sports or chase or bike riding or things like that.
Thank you for
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.